we've got is our Phoebe, who
it's 'cause they're on the...
who Helen was just going to check and make sure she wasn't pregnant. She's now was having a quick look at her feet
And a pedicure.
and decided to give them a pedicure. Because obviously that's what you do. And she's looking very lovely. And
Do you want a cut and blow while you're there?
Helen's up for doing a pedicure on our little flock. Actually, perhaps they're all lining up. Hadn't thought of that. You lining up? You are. Excellent. Look, even Vivian there. Look, she's on the queue too. Girls in the background. Yeah, they're queuing. It's fabulous. Gilo's desperately trying to get in there.
Well, they're all lining up.
So, now we've caught Oaty, and it's Oaty's turn for a little pedicure.
Okay.
Oh dear. Hello, sweetie.
If you can sort them so they're not on the base of the tail.
Yeah.
You know, sort either one side or the other. And then a bit more...
That's Joss panting away here, who's so excited by all this activity.
You're doing a great job.
Sorry, that's just a
I
little...
don't care what everybody else is about. You're all right.
I won't tell you what to say about you.
I don't mind. As long as I don't hear it. As long as they're talking about me, that's all I got to say.
You're a lot better than the other one, you don't look good.
Actually, it's very, very, very placid, this one.
Yeah, she is.
Sounds like a train, doesn't it?
Yeah, Joss does, yeah.
That's how trains used to sound, isn't it?
Yeah. So excited. I know.
You're a good girl, you've got that.
Actually, she might be a good one to start with shearing if she's that good.
Say thank you.
Hello.
Hello, Grandpa and Grandma.
Hello, gorgeous. If you can grab her, grab her. Or him. Yeah.
He heard that.
He did, didn't he?
He said, hold it. I heard the word grab going on here.
No,
He does his own manicure, don't you?
Well done, mate. It's good, all good.
All right, sweetheart. Go on, you can go now. We just need to get Lucy.
Hey?
This is Lucy. And little Lucy's now having her pedicure. We are watching our bottoms because just behind them is Rambo. But he's quite calm at the moment. But he's very protective over little Lucy here, who we reckon must be 9, 10 years old now. And the same with Rambo.
Slightly older.
She could be slightly older too.
No teeth, Lucy.
Yeah, she's got no teeth. So we do lots of tender loving care with her. Chop her lots of vegetables up tiny
Still looks
for
so
her.
young and bright in the face, doesn't she?
Yeah.
No, she's got no teeth.
Gumless.
She is gumless, and she's got
No, she's not gumless,
grey
she's
whiskers.
toothless.
No, she's whiskers. I'm good. I am a real farmer, you know.
All good?
Yeah. Okay, we're still on pedicure day. These two are in the queue. And then down here, this person that's on his hands and knees is Kirky, desperately trying to get in there to cut her toenails. This is Lily having her toenails cut.
And she makes it very easy. She's very
accommodating. She's very accommodating, this little girl.
I don't really know what I'm doing. I'm sure anybody watching this will tell me that I'm doing it all wrong, and I'm probably sure that I am, but do you know what?
If you can do them stood up, I suppose, isn't it? Because you can see better what the...
I think that's absolutely right. But
You try and get Lily to stay standing.
what's better is to get them like this.
Yeah.
But she's such a good girl. Unlike Madam here. I'm talking to you. And Miss Latte, are you going to just be shy? You're just going to turn away from me, are you? Okay. No.
A bit closer here, because that is definitely, I'm sure that's nail. It's coming off whatever it is, maybe pad.
It's mostly pad, isn't it?
This is all pad here, but it's this bit in here. And what I don't want to do is if that's got a blood flow going to it, I don't want to cut it. And since I'm not a real expert, I'm making this up as I go along. And whenever you look for tutorials on it, nobody shows you how to cut or straighten up nails that are this bent. And I've got to be honest, they've been bent ever since we've had them.
Yeah.
And we've been trying, little bit by little bit, but it's so hard to get in there to straighten it off. But a little bit of perseverance. Nice guy, Percy. But it's this one here, really does worry me. So I'm just gently doing it, and I'll do a little bit at a time, and then next time we'll do a little bit more, shall we? Okay, I think you've been such a good girl. My heart's racing at 90 miles an hour.
You're doing all right, Kurt, don't worry.
That's from the pedicurist.
Purple pedicurist.
Yes, unfortunately, if I show you Helen's hand,
Okay, here you go.
because this is called purple spray, and it is a nightmare to get off.
Look, she's not taking her leg back. She wants more. Okay, you want more.
So unfortunately,
Obviously, all this talk. Look at this. Is that Latte sneaking away backwards?
yeah, she is.
I've decided not to stand in this queue.
Hello. Hello.
I thought this queue was for food.
Did you?
Okay.
No, it's all right.
All right, you've done ever so well.
Well done, you.
Oh, your back will be aching now.
Oh.
That's why I only do one a day.
Yeah.
I'm normally 1 foot a day.